Hello children, standard 3rd subject mathematics and listening fractions. Dear children, please open your maths textbook page number 78 and point is half. Tony and Nandu were hungry. Salma had one bhakri. She quickly made 2 pieces of bhakri and gave it to them.
Tony, I got list of the bhakri.
Nandu, that's true. I really got the bigger pieces.
Salma, oh, I'm sorry. It's because I broke it in a hurry. I have a pulley too. I will divide it equally into 2 parts for you. Tony, yes, this time we have equal pieces.
Sonu, both of you got exactly half a pulley.
Sonu has a large sheet of paper. Both Sonu and Salma want to draw a picture.
Sonu, let's divide this sheet into 2 equal parts.
Tony, come, I will do it.
In these pictures, he gave full sheet of paper and Sonu and Tony equally divided half up. Now Sonu and Sana both got half a sheet of paper. When something is divided into 2 equal parts, each of the parts is a half of that thing. Now observe the pictures given below. Then first is a whole grabba and half a grabba. Then second, a whole cake, half a cake. Third, a whole apple, half an apple. And number 4, a whole watermelon, half a watermelon. Dear children, here give some examples for your practice. Now number 1, color of half of each of the pictures given below. Now here gave some pictures and I am also color, means those are half part you color. Please you do at home. Then number 2, a line has been drawn in each of the figure given below. Put a tick mark under the figures which get divided into 2 equal parts by that line. Now here also give some pictures. Now then I am also here solve, means first and second number I did not pick. Why? Because there are not same half part. Number 3 is a half divided, and that's why I am pick. Number 4 also and number 5 is not same equally part, and that's why I am not pick. This you do in your textbook and notebook also. Next point is a quarter. Tai, Salma, Nandu, Sonu, Tony, come here all of you. I have a large sheet of kind paper. Each of you use it to make a kind for yourself.
Tony, it means that we will have to make 4 equal parts of that paper.
Nandu, I will make the 4 equal pieces.
Tai, excellent. Each of these parts is a quarter of the big sheet of paper. Dear children, in this picture also given a sheet of paper and we are divided, means Tony, Salma, Nandu and Sonu, all of you divided 4 equal parts, means one part you call a quarter. When something is divided into 4 equal parts, each of the parts is a quarter of that thing. Observe the pictures below to understand the meaning of quarter. Here gives some pictures. Now we are a whole cucumber and a quarter of a cucumber. Number 2, a whole watermelon, a quarter watermelon. And number 3, a whole cake, a quarter of cake. Now here write also and pictures also divided. Do you understand, children? Then point is a whole, a half and a quarter. In these pictures I give a whole, means circle, then a half and a quarter. If we divided a half into halves, again we get 2 quarters. We have seen already that when a whole is divided into 4 equal parts, we get a quarter. If we put 2 quarters together, we get a half. Similarly, if we put 4 quarters together, we will get a whole. Color a quarter part of each picture below. Here gives some examples and we already color in the quarter part. Now you also see only one quarter I am color here. Do you understand? In each of the pictures below, lines have been drawn to divide the figure into 4 parts. If a figure is divided into equal parts, put a tick mark under it, not put a cross. Dear children, here gives some examples and I am already tick and cross also. Those are quarters, means 4 parts are coming equal, then we are tick, and those are not correct, 4 parts are not equal, then I am cross. You see in the pictures also. Do you understand, children? Good. Next point is 3 quarters.
Nandu, I have drawn lines in this picture so that it gets divided into 4 equal parts. 3 of these parts have been colored. In other words, 3 quarters of the paper has been a color.
If a whole is divided into 4 equal parts and we take 3 of them, the part that we have taken is called 3 quarters. Half a gravas, a quarter of gravas, and a half and quarter make 3 quarters. Now here in these pictures are gave means 3 quarters. First is a grava gave, half grava and 1 quarter is equal to 3 quarters. Here gave 1 chapati also and 3 parts also given, means 1, 2, 3 quarters. 3 quarters may be also be called a 3 quarters part of the whole. When we take away a quarter from a whole, what we have left is also 3 quarters. Color 3 quarters of the pictures below. In this picture, I give 3 examples and I color of 3 pictures, means 3 quarters also I color. Say whether the color and the white parts of the figure below are a quarter, a half, or 3 quarters. Now here gave 3 pictures, figures also gave, and color part also and white part also. Number 1 is a half and white part also half. Number 2, a color part is a quarter and white part is a 3 quarters. Number 3, a color part half and white part also half. Now number 4, in the color part is a 3 quarters and white part is a quarter. Number 5, a color part is a half and white part also half. And number 6, color part is a 3 quarters and white part is a quarter. Do you understand, children? Dear children, those are examples. Please you write in your maths notebook, neat and clean writing. Do you understand, children? Good. Thank you. Bye.